Very hot. Hello, brothers, sisters. I do this boy Cookie will see that I'm back again. Yeah, before we start to do this first time watching, can you subscribe to the YouTube channel? Follow us on Facebook as well. Cookie will see that and turn on notification so be notified when new video drops. Yeah, so I'm still in Kita, yeah, and we're about to do one of the snacks that they have over here. And this snack is also famous in Ghana, very popular in Ghana. Agbeli kaklo, yeah. It's originated from the waterland, yeah. So since I'm here, I need to have a video of that, yeah.
So today we are making this crispy snack called Agbeli kaklo or cassava balls. It's very soft inside and you love it. So we use cassava to make this snack and it's very simple to prepare. We just by grating the cassava and also squeeze out the liquid and we use the remaining food to make the snack. Amazing video, amazing snack, you love it. Watch the end.
Yeah, so basically Agbeli kaklo is a cassava food and it's a snack in Ghana and people love it, yeah. With 1 CD, 50 pesos, 2 CDs, whatever, you can have some pieces of Agbeli kaklo for your lunch. Mostly this is used, or this is eaten in the afternoon, yeah. And the way it's prepared is delicious and it goes with kube. But if you don't have the kube, you can still eat it like that. And it's one of the dopest food or dopest snack we have in Ghana, Agbeli kaklo. I don't know. If you say you didn't know what it's Agbeli kaklo, no?
Also because they use cassava.
Cassava fencing. Belly.
And so it's belly kaklo. Which means round.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
A cassava balls.
Cassava balls. Okay. So Agbeli kaklo is an Ewe name, Ewe word, and I just asked for the translation of that name, and they say cassava is called Agbeli in Ewe. That's the local dialect, and kaklo is the round. So cassava balls or cassava round. Okay, so Agbeli kaklo, so cassava round or cassava balls. Okay, it's good to learn, eh?
So you need a grater to grate the cassava, and if you don't have a grater and have blender, you can use blender, but make sure you don't make it smooth, make it rough so that you can feel the crispiness and the crunchiness of the Agbeli kaklo that is here. So since I'm an ex-Agbeli kaklo seller, we have this big grater and that's what we're using for the Agbeli kaklo. So there's one thing that you need to add to Agbeli kaklo to give you that taste and that sweetness, which is salt. Okay, so you add salt to your Agbeli kaklo or to the grated cassava. You can choose to add any other spice or seasoning to have a different flavor, like onion and other stuff. But basically, the only thing that you need inside your Agbeli kaklo is salt.
So we're now mixing with our salt that was added earlier. So about to squeeze our cassava, and this is how she roll it. Squeeze it. So this is our squeezed cassava. So you can see the difference, the squeezed one and the unsqueezed. Yeah, so meaning the liquid inside the cassava is the yellowish and this has turned to white. Yeah. So repeat the same process until we're able to squeeze everything over here. Yeah, so now we've done with the squeezing and we're about to sieve everything. Yeah, so to have a smooth Agbeli kaklo, you need to sieve it. Yeah, so we are sieving our cassava, squeezed cassava, and then because we want to have a smooth Agbeli kaklo. Yeah, so this local called Baji. Yeah. So she's tasting for the sugar, the salt, if it's okay. So we have our remaining particles over here. It cannot pass the sieve, yeah? Yeah, so this is the sieved cassava flour. This is our granite oil, and we're about to fry our kaklo. So this is how she rolls, or they roll the cassava balls, kaklo. These are what you call cassava balls, kaklo, and it's about to go to the fire. So basically here they sell this 2 for 50 pesos, and the cassava she used for preparation of this cost 10 cedis plus the oil, which is almost 20 cedis, so roughly 30 cedis. And what we have here, I don't think it will have to be 30 cedis. That's why she has stopped doing this kind of business. And when she sells one for
the Gadioma on my way, Gadioma way, 10 cedis whilst
counting, right?
10 cedis, yes. So this is what is remaining, which means if she sells that, she will
lose because the oil hasn't come.
Yes, and the charcoal
too. So when she sells this one for 50 pesos, nobody will buy, so she has to sell 2 for 50 pesos. And calculating this that we have over here, that over there is 10 cedis, and this will be like 1 cedi or 2. So 12 cedis out of 30 something cedis spent. So this means she has to stop the business, because over here buying this or this doesn't cost that much, and the cassava over here also costs extremely high. So buying cassava for 10 cedis and oil, charcoal, and after everything you get only 10 cedis as the main money that includes the income and everything. Like it's not worth it. It's not worth it. So Davy has stopped doing this kind of business because it's not paying. It's very sad. Very sad. So it's now time to add our kaklo. Inside the oil. So the oil needs to be high temperature, well heated before you add in the kaklo. Kaklo on fire. So basically this is not doesn't have that weird procedure of preparing it. Very simple thing, and if you know how to prepare it, you love it. Dope snack in Ghana in the afternoon, kaklo, everybody knows it, So our kaklo is now ready. It requires stirring. You need to stir to prevent it from burning. So this is how kaklos look like.
So after 10 to 15 minutes of having the cassava ball inside the oil, it's now ready. And one thing about this snacks is that after being removed from the oil from the fire, there's still this burning sensation that still takes place. So this burning sensation will still fry the snack, okay? So you still have it look brownish after it's been off fire. So be careful not to leave them long on fire, because if not, you end up burning your kaklo.
So we have our kaklo over here, and I need to taste this to see how it is. So kaklo, fresh one. Wow. Man, this is dope. If you get this right kaklo in the afternoon, trust me, you'll be on your debut. So this nice kaklo from the water side, Kita, And if this is the first time watching, kindly follow us, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so be notified when new video drop. Let's meet again for Shazam and Nizzle. I'm out, May your papa